Do you know that you can become an investor at Illiputer and receive your computers as a gift? Do you know that Illiputer is building vans for all customers who want to buy a computer? You know how we do this? Simply, instead of paying money for purchasing a laptop, you are investing at Illiputer, we are issuing you stocks, and plus we are giving you the product as a gift. That's all. Look, you're going to become the co-owner of tech company Illiputer, computer manufacturing company, and beside it, you're going to receive your products for free. Why is it free? Because the money that you are paying for Illiputer is completely an investment. That's all. It's our policy. And why do we do that? We want to build wealth for you. We want you to become successful, to have more money, to have peace of mind, to feel happy, good all the time. This is what we want for you. And now it's your turn to consider, to think about Illiputer. Share this video with other people who want to buy a computer. You can join Illiputer. Instead of buying, you just simply invest and you receive the products for free, and your money at the company is growing all the time. Look, this is a genius idea, and I want you to join this revolution, to put your comments, share this video with other people, and also check the videos that we have, check our website illiputer.com, and also don't forget to watch the videos that we have here and here. Till the next videos.